Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a free code camp tutorial, create an order list. So in this section, we're going to learn about the order list. And to indicate that we're about to start an order list, we use this OL order list tag element, opening, closing. And within it, for each bullet point or list number, we have li, the text, and then we close the tag. So for this exercise, we want to create an order list of the top 3 things cat hate the most. Okay, so we go underneath this, the top 3 things cat hates the most. And to indicate that it's going to be an order list, we just use this syntax. So you can just copy and paste. There's a lot of copy and pasting that goes in code. And we can clean up the format a little bit like that. Okay, and 3 things, and we can copy one more because it asked for 3. And then let's say bath, neglect, and maybe dogs. And we can see here that is in an order list from one to however long your list is. And that's it. Thank you.